What's up guys, today I will show you how to use team command in Miniblox. So let's go. First type in the chat /team add owner, then type /team modified, or you can also copy from description. Then type /team join your username bank. Boom, look at this rank. Subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.